Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MI Tutorials. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a line chart in Power BI where you can compare sales of different years. For example, I have sales here for 2016 and 2017, and we can compare the sales for both the years here as how they are performing every month using this particular line chart, right? There are a lot of people who are unable to create this view. However, it is very simple. It's just that you need to know how to create this. So let's get started. I am going to create a new page. So we'll start from scratch, and I'm going to click on this line chart visual over here. Let me just expand this over here, and I'm going to bring in my sales value. Obviously we need sales value, right? And then I'm going to bring in the order date, right? When I bring in the order date, I have a visual created something like this, right? However, we don't see that multiple lines for various years. Now let us only look at 2 years for now. So I'm going to go to the filter here and go to basic filtering. Just for this visual or for this tutorial, I'm going to only use 2016 and 2017. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I am going to get rid of the quarter and the day that has been created here by the visual. Okay, now I need to again drag this order date into the legend area over here. Okay, so when I do this over here, it has now taken the date, order date as an individual date, right? We need to change this to date hierarchy. Okay, even here, if you don't see if it is on order date, you need to make sure that this is on date hierarchy so that you see all the levels, right? But even now, even after me pulling the order date, it just still shows 2016, that which is 1 year, right? What we need to now do is, however, here if you see in the legend here, it is showing 2016 and 2017. What we need to do is you need to right click on the chart and click on show next level. So the moment you click on show next level, it will start showing you the line chart here for 2 different years, right? You can go to the format tab and add data labels, and you can change whatever you want to. Let's say you want 1 decimal place, you can do that, right? So this is how you create a line chart in Power BI to show both the years or multiple years in a one particular visual, right? I hope you guys have learned something new, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.